Day 4 of trying to get the bushing out of our excavator. Oh, Jesus! God! You can just buy one of these, like, recreationally? Ah!
Look up what a good flame looks like. There's supposed to be like 2 flames. There's supposed to be like a hot, small flame.
Yeah.
And then a larger flame.
Yeah.
You're supposed to dial in your oxygen until they're like together.
Oh.
But it's kind of hard to tell what's what.
I made Parker emotional support cookies because of the excavator business not going very well. It'd be a chocolate chip commercial.
You need to test it. Okay. You ready?
Oh. Is that what it's supposed to be doing?
I don't know. That might have been too hot.
It's not?
I hear it clicking.
You do?
Yeah.
That's good. Got the thingy on there. The Harbor Freight puller outer. There's a little bit where it, oops, got cut, but it didn't really cut it too much. Giving the other side a try. Breaking news. Is it moving?
Yeah, see how you can
Oh my
see
God,
it
it's
now?
sticking out now.
It's like birth.
Okay.
Is this what heaven travels like? I can see the head. I really wish I would have grabbed deep. Socket.
Oh yeah. I mean, yes. Oh yeah, it's moving.